G'day, I'm Darcy, and welcome to another tip with Screencasts Online. For all our writing aficionados out there, today we're looking at Scrivener on iPad. Scrivener is a great app not just for novelists and screenwriters, but for any project with a lot of information. The app not only allows you to write, but has support for adding web pages, documents, and photos right into your virtual binder. Although we're looking at the iPad version today, Scrivener can be downloaded on Windows and Mac also. The apps are purchased separately, with the iPad version costing around $20 USD, and can be downloaded from the App Store. Opening Scrivener for the first time, we're presented with the option to create a project. Before we do this though, I want to talk about the two options for saving your work. If you only ever intend to use Scrivener on your iPad, you can save directly to your local storage. Your projects will appear here under Projects. If, like me, you use Scrivener between Mac and iPad, or even if you just use iPad but you want access on your phone, you'll need to link your Dropbox account for syncing. I'm going to assume you already have Dropbox downloaded and logged in on your iPad. Tap on the looping arrows in the top right corner, and then tap on Link Dropbox. Tap Allow, and when you press Done in the top right corner, Scrivener will make its own folder in your Dropbox and use this location to save your projects, making them accessible on other devices. Let's get started on some work. Tap on Create Project. We'll name ours Tales of the Lost Screencast. We can save it on my iPad or in Dropbox, and then it opens directly to an untitled document.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.